Cadillac. Hi.
And I'm gonna go take a dip and take it back in the
Come on, buddy.
now. 207. More than
You want to get ice cream? All right. I want everything about the start coming.
Cadillac. Morning, sir. Oh, huge trunk. Is this yours, sir?
No, that was a turtle.
What kind of
Look at that one.
brand is this?
1970s
Cadillac.
Ford
Cadillac.
Full one.
Oh,
Look at that one.
the I've never seen Cadillac. There is a new model this today.
Yeah, they still make Cadillac, yeah.
Oh. I've noticed the engine is not quite customized.
No, it's all original. The whole
It's-
car's original.
It's all original. It's still working well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I drove it from Abilene, which is about 60 miles. So
60 miles. Wow.
70
you have-
miles an hour down the interstate.
How do you maintain that
You just keep changing the oil,
all that?
yeah, about every 3,000 miles.
3,000 miles. How about on the electricals? There's no something.
There's not much electrics on this one.
Oh, nice. Thank you very much, sir.
Yep, no problem.
Happy 4th.
You too.
4th. Mustang. Wow.
Who are you videoing for?
For a Mustang.
Huh?
Mustang.
Who?
It's a for Mustang.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
I seen go by, I'd like to see again. We did the IUI for went into a company made.
Oh my! It's getting, you're filling up slow. That means the sun came out and people decide.
Yeah, I'm still getting gold. Yeah. I'm still having a lot full in. Well, they fit when we come in. There wasn't nothing on the ground. Now that's the one place. They mark on the pavement.
John Mitchell just pulled in with his car.
Yeah. Yeah.
He called me this morning about an hour ago. Said he's still having a go. Oh yeah. He said, "Well, we'll be up there for a while." I said, "Come on up."
Hi, how are you? Good.
Nice.
This is nice.
Wow.
39. Word. It is really an old more, sir. Oh.
Hey, if your legs was moving as fast as your lips, you'd already be here by now.
Oh yeah, you still fucking shit. I can hear your lips going from here. Hey, simmer them things down.
Hey, are you gonna be here by 11 or what?
1964 GTO.
It's got some different wheels on it.
Your car here?
Huh? No. My Challenger, the motor went. Rod had a crankshaft on this one. So we're gonna, maybe in the next couple of weeks or something, I can have it back in the
Got it before he gets.
That's right.
Oh. He's really tiny. Really tiny, right?
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
Hi.
Yeah.
How are you? Hi.
Look at this inside. Look at the steering wheel. And I guess that's an odometer on it.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yours? You want inside?
You're going to be barked. You're going to be barked out today. There's another dog.
Yeah, there is. Silverado. Oh. Wow. Outlet.
Huh? What is it?
I don't know.
Oh. This is really the Jeep.
Yeah, 5 too.
I know, right? That one helped a lot, right?
Coming after you. He's right here.
Well, it's good so if they have a wreck, they got a fire truck and an ambulance and 6 cars and all this shit for a fender bender. Okay?
Deal out the intersection that day. And
Wow.
upside down. I didn't know there was so many cops in there. They had the highway patrol, the county, the Wamego locals, fire truck, paramedic, you name it.
Well, speaking of, they were there. My old 95-year-old neighbor was the best friend of mine. Ross was
Vanderbilt's Wamego Drugstore, Wamego Wamego Inn and Suites, WTC Incorporated, Wamego, Kansas. Again, our diners,
Morning, sir. Is this yours? Oh.
Which one are you talking about?
This
That
this
one? Yeah.
Jeep. Oh.
This one.
The really cool one or the ugly one?
This any kind of Jeep.
Yeah.
Because I'm from Philippines.
Yeah.
There's a lot of Jeeps that
Philippines.
yeah that wow American soldiers left behind in our
Oh
country.
yeah, so you drive
So
those.
yeah. So
So this is one like a mature older guy would have. This one.
yeah.
And then more obnoxious guys that like cami cars and stuff, they'll have ones like that.
Yep. So so which one is the standard Jeep here? Which of these?
So this is a CJ7. This is a what's that, 18?
Yeah.
18. So that's a 2018 four-door Jeep JL. And then that's a 1984 CJ7.
1984.
Yeah, that's a little modified. And that's a 1968 Jeep Military.
Oh, probably that kind of because we are we received the independence 1955.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot of little flat fenders.
Yeah.
And what year's yours? The 71. 71 Commando over there.
It's awesome. I thought it's a monster truck, but
Yeah. And then over there is what year's Tony's Scrambler? I think that's a Scrambler. So his is the late 80s over there.
oh, in the other side.
Yeah, on the other side of it. Yeah.
So this is yours.
Yeah. These two are. That one's kind of a
Mostly Wranglers in the Philippines are use this kind of
yeah,
trucks.
like that. Yeah.
That's well. Thank you very much, sir, for that information. Yeah.
Nice to talk to you.
Yeah, it's a happy 4th, everyone.
Yeah. Thank
Yep.
you.
Yep. Thank you.
Good. I'm glad you're here. Miss you, buddy. Yeah.
Yeah, someone has. Oh my god.
CJ.
Mike, you got some copper wire?
Camaro. This is really old.
Did I what? You know, I did. You know, my theory always was heavy duty, heavy fly. You know, I mean, if we were a sand car or something like that, or doing a spin quick, why would I mind?